So there has been another development that is taking place after the dramatic pullback of Rajnikant, who will now be not turning into a Neta, where a day after his announcement, his political advisor, Tamil Aruvi Maniyan, has said that he will quit politics. Here's an excerpt from the letter also that Republic has accessed when he is talking about his college years, when he started his political career at the feet of Kamraj, and more than 50 years of his political career that has spanned has been impeccable. The political arena has become a haven for dirty survivalists seeking interest in the name of caste, religion, race and language. There is no value to honesty, truth and morality. I have never lived outside of virtue, never handcuffed anyone under any circumstances. That is what he has to say in this letter that Republic has accessed. Going across to Apurva for a quick update. Apurva, dramatic pullbacks that are being witnessed in Tamil Nadu before the elections. First Rajnikant, now his advisor. What is the reason being cited?
Well, that's right. Tamil Aruvi Maniyan as well as Arjuna Murthy, both these people have been hand-selected by Rajnikant when he said that he will be launching his political party. In fact, early in December, earlier this month, he had also announced that both these people, Tamil Aruvi Maniyan as well as Arjuna Murthy, will be taking decisions on behalf of him for his political party, is what Rajnikant had announced. But ever since Rajnikant had put out this statement yesterday that he will not be entering politics, there had been a lot of questions raised as will be the course of action for both these political analysts who had been handpicked by Rajnikant, and what will be the course of action for them next. With this statement coming in mind, we should also see that Tamil Aruvi Maniyan is someone who has already been in politics over the last couple of decades in his life. He had also been a member of the Gandhian People's Movement over here, and this statement that comes in definitely, was something that nobody had anticipated, because in the statement he says, until death embraces me, I will not join politics. He also talks about how even when Rajnikant had handpicked him, he had talked about how this is going to be a good decision for him because he wishes to be in politics which is clean and fair politics. That is what he also...
Well, quite dramatic turn of events there down south in Tamil Nadu, because we have seen already with Makkalnidhi Mayam, a close associate of Kamal Haasan, leaving him and joining the BJP. And now when it comes to Rajnikant, who made that announcement yesterday when he will not be announcing any new political forum owing to his health, now it seems that his close advisor has called it quits, saying that he will quit politics, where he goes on to say in that letter that we have accessed that even today his life is going on a normal rental house, but he also wishes that he sees the rule of Kamraj once again in the state of Tamil Nadu, and hence now he is quitting politics. Aruvi, and thanks very much, Apurva, for joining us with the latest on this. We move on to the national COVID headlines.